Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below. So Tesla is in some trouble, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, see what's going on, because Tesla is steady on the decline. And I know a lot of people, this is their favorite stock. A majority of shareholders, they have Tesla as their majority of their portfolios. So they definitely take a major hit right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, dive in it, let you guys see exactly what I see. And like I told you guys before in the previous Tesla videos, where I told you guys exactly what was coming down to $124. And that's exactly what happened, right? And we'll get into what we said after that in just here in a second. Once we came down to 124, that was just going to be the pivot level. I never just go from point A to point Z. I always got to go from A to B first. Just like when we talked about Bitcoin coming from 50,000 all the way down to $20,000. And once it came to 20K, I ain't say, oh, that happened, now it's time to go up. Nope. Next projection told you now it's going to go from 20 to 10,000. And what happened? Bitcoin went from 20,000 down to 14 to 15K range. And it still ain't finished yet. So be very careful. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. And the only way these gaps doesn't close and Tesla don't come down to this level that I'm about to discuss, and Bitcoin don't come to the level I'm about to discuss, and the overall market don't come down some more to the level we already discussed, another 15%, is if the economy drastically change, the Feds print, as they printed more money, as they printed all the money like they did and caused inflation to soar like it did, they couldn't have to do the same thing in order to get the economy back on even balance, basically giving people free money to go and spend at the Fortune 500 companies to keep them afloat. Because right now everybody's in panic mode. Sell, 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 sell. All type of sales going on because they is in fear of, consumers not consuming their products. Same thing with Tesla. Tesla never went on sale for their cars. Heck no. Watch what we about to look at right here though. So Tesla ended at $122 a day, guys. Down over 1.7% on the day, but that's nothing. On the week, we down over 20%. On the month, we down over 30%. On the past 3 months, we down over 56%, and over the year, we already down over 63%, guys. So I know a lot of people would be loving to get Tesla right now, and you about to be able to get it for even cheaper. So let's go ahead and talk about it, guys. Right now, it's definitely in the buy zone. Of course, it could spike from here, meaning it came down to 124. Just because you see it bounce up to 135 or 140, maybe even 150, just to trap in more loans, it could quickly reverse and come down and close this gap. Because once it broke 124, I'm going to show you guys right in the chart where I had showed you guys at. Remember this? This is what 124 right there. Bam. As soon as it break 124, this is where we going next. And I told you guys this in the previous video, but I had to wait to let you know now, which is $94. $94 would be Tesla's not necessarily bottom, depending on how rocky, how bad things continue to look. After 94, if it break that, it could jump all the way down to $62, $63 per share. And I do believe that would be the bottom for Tesla. And what really make it scary for Tesla is the fact that, pay attention to Lucid. Lucid is down big. Came from $60 all the way down to $6. Looking like it want to come to 5, 4, and 3. These stocks is insane right now, guys. But I tell you this, whoever have the most cash at the bottom, at the end of this, is going to make buttloads and buttloads and buttloads of money, guys. So let's go ahead and take a further look. But like I said, don't let that steer you in any direction and try to, go aggressive in the market. It'll come when the time need. Now, if you got a second account where you're investing in long-term investments, you can go a little harder in that account because you're going to actually hold them, and you ain't going to be in the account just buying and selling and losing money. By you actually buying and holding something worth quality, and regardless of it, if you lose in that, it's eventually should come back, because those companies, if they quality, like we say, like I'm telling you, back in 20-year, 30-year period, you should see they continue to do well year over year. Along between the year, they're gonna be up and down, choppy, but every year they continue to grow. That's quality companies. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on, guys. Also, let's look at further what's going on. Also, we know that Elon Musk's Twitter obsession. A lot of people thinking just because he went over to Twitter, that's why Tesla is plunging. No, Tesla was already priced in the plunge, guys. price action alone. I didn't even have to look at any news or nothing that happened to tell me the price was about to come down. I already was priced in. It already was priced in. Unless something drastically changed with the economy, with the overall market to push the S&P and the NASDAQ and the Dow up, then would have been looking at something different. But other than that, it was already priced in. And a lot of this stuff is always and also being for the fact that people already don't got money to buy a regular car, a regular old $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 car. Money is looking shy right now. So they definitely don't got enough money to buy no Tesla. So with that being said, Elon Musk know how to adapt. That's why he sold off over $23 billion worth of Tesla. He sold that because he didn't want to be looking like Mark Zuckerberg and these others that didn't expect the market to come down as low as it came because they think they're too big to fail. Elon Musk lost over half his net worth. Mark Zuckerberg lost over half his net worth when Facebook cut in half. Elon paid attention to what happened to them, sold off over $23 billion worth of Tesla. I'm pretty sure he's going to buy his position back in once Tesla get in that 124 range, but he probably feel and know it's going to drop towards 94. So he probably wait for 94, add in, and if it drop hard and comes 65, 66, or 63, what we stated, he's going to buy even more, guys, and reclaim his position. So as we know, Twitter isn't the only reason. And what he's doing and is adapting is very good, though. It's very smart, because if you pay attention, the car market is coming down. In the long term, Elon knows Tesla ain't going nowhere. It's here to stay. It's dominant. 10 years, 5 years from now, he already know he's going to get his bread back times 10, if not more. But right now, he know how to adapt and not be in his ego and be like, oh, my company, let me do whatever I can to sell cars and do this. Nah, he like, let me adapt. Let it chill. Sell off a little bit. Let it chill. Now let me go over here to Twitter, where I know if the world do go back into the place that it was in before with COVID, they heat that back up. If they shut the world down, they do that, make you not be able to go to certain places and stuff. If something happened again, he know the nice pivot would be Twitter. People always want to be on social media. He can be creative, do anything to get more traffic over there like he already doing, and it's just going to boom for him. That's where he's going to make up for his losses on Tesla at, and possibly be even bigger. Then that's hard to say, I don't know, but just have two big companies. So you already know, guys, that's my take on it. Also, I wanted to show you guys right here where Tesla never did nothing like this really before. Tesla has announced a rare sale. The company offered two rebates for buyers who take delivery of a vehicle before the end of the year. So if you take a delivery of a vehicle before the end of the year, Tesla trying to get them sales in quick, fast. Initially offering a $3,750 discount earlier this month. Tesla then doubled that rebate to $7,500 Thursday. So they done doubled it, almost $10,000. Like, come get it off my hands. Tesla clearly is starting to see demands crack in China and the U.S. at a time that EV competition is increasing across the board, said Dan Ives, tech analyst with Wedbush Securities and Tesla bull, who cut his price target for the stock Friday from $250 to $175. The price cut that Tesla enacted was the straw that broke the camel's back on the stock. So you already know, guys, and that it wasn't what broke his back. They just love to run with the narrative. It was already priced in. So you already know what to do, guys. I love you. Get in VIP. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show, and we